Hey guys, it's me Luis. I have this one 2007 Explorer, those kind of conversion bands. Hey guys, it's me Luis. I have this one 2007 Explorer Savannah or Chevy conversion bands. So I'm working and pull the windshield. I already started the cut because I'm hurry, I got a lot of work, but I'm practicing with all my tools every day. So this one is a turn on this week from the the GT. It's the time for this guy work, so that's why I'm using my GT today and yesterday. So every time I like to use different tools. Remember, I'm fanatic using the tools, so that's why you saw me working at many tools. So let me start pulling this guy. I already started the cut, so I'm gonna go slowly here. That's the gravity stop. I pass on the very edge because somebody put this windshield before. There's the Pilkington glass, but the glue is super slow, really low, so I can't even fit my protectors really tight. Just the bottom has a lot of glue. The molding flow on the blow on the highway, so that means they didn't put too much. I mean enough bonding, but there you go. Now we're gonna change that. I can go all the way that way, but the glass is a little bended, so I have to just go this way. Remember, you have another kind of system, it's fine. I'm just practicing with my tools every day. Now remember, GT and another ones, they come like a little key. You can unlock the gear here, but I don't have it. I lost it, so it's my bad. So I have to get another one. So that's why it's not a good idea I just make the gear running at the high torque, because maybe it will be damaged, but maybe no. But I don't like just use the drill too much in a gear. There you go, just right here. Go. And you see how the bend it is here. A lot of glue here. And the glass is broken in the corner, so I don't want to break my line. Okay. And the last cut. Okie dokie. So mission accomplished. We finished the cut, and I got another one. It's gonna be a for pushing. Now we're pulling with my GT with the same line, so we can start with continuing, and now we're gonna attach all the certain tools and we're finished. Okay, so very nice. Okay guys, thank you so much. See you next time, because I got a lot of work, no time. See you next.